Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you look to the right side of your aircraft, you will notice Flight 198 challenging us to a race. I've turned the fasten seatbelt sign back on because shit is about to get real.
Bro had to get some fresh air.
Right, to make sure that your head baggage is stowed safely and nothing off the hour when you wish to exit. Please switch off your laptop and place it in your hand luggage.
Bro speaking chicken language. This man needs a pay raise.
To release the business proportions of the buckle. Turbulence may occur in the warnings. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. In the event of emergency,